Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to export your contacts from Outlook to a CSV or Excel file, the easiest way in 2026. Now, if you're using the new version of Microsoft Outlook, you may have noticed that when you go into Settings and click Export, Outlook shows a message saying Outlook data files require a Microsoft 365 subscription. A lot of people think that means exporting contacts is locked, but that's actually not true. That message is only for Outlook data files, not for exporting your contacts list. There's still a simple and free way to export all of your contacts, and I'm going to walk you through it step by step. First, open Outlook on your computer and make sure you're signed in to the account that has the contacts you want to export. Once Outlook opens, look over at the left side navigation menu and click on People. This will open your Contacts section where Outlook stores all of your saved contact information, including names, email addresses, phone numbers, company names, and any extra details you've added. Now move toward the top area of the screen and look for Manage Contacts. Click on it. A small drop-down menu will appear with a few options. From there, click Export Contacts. Outlook will now open the Export window. Here, you can choose whether you want to export all contacts or only export contacts from a specific folder. If you want everything, simply choose All Contacts, which is the best option for most users. After selecting your contacts, click Export. Outlook will now automatically download a CSV file to your computer. This file contains all of your contact information in spreadsheet format, which makes it easy to use for backups, transfers, or editing. Now, if you want to open it in Microsoft Excel, go to your Downloads folder or wherever your browser saves downloaded files and double-click the CSV file. It should open directly in Excel, where you can see your contacts organized neatly into rows and columns. From here, you can edit names, update phone numbers, remove duplicate contacts, sort your list, or even import that CSV file into another email service like Gmail or another Outlook account. This is one of the easiest ways to create a backup of your Outlook contacts, and the best part is, you do not need a Microsoft 365 subscription just to export your contacts. And that's it. That's how you can easily export your Outlook contacts to a CSV or Excel file in just a few clicks. Whether you're backing up your contacts, moving them to another email account, or simply organizing them in a spreadsheet, this quick method makes the whole process simple and stress-free. I hope this guide helped you out. If it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, drop a comment below if you have any questions, and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow tech tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Quick recap. Open Outlook, click People, select Manage Contacts, click Export Contacts, choose All Contacts or a folder, click Export, open the CSV file in Excel. See you next time.